Good morning, my dear students. My name is Palaj Vishwas, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. And the previous classes already discussed the ISO 14000 standards. And this is my lecture number 22. And also today discuss the strategic tools and the techniques for the total quality management. And basically, the few strategic tools also will be required during to this tool and techniques. This like the you have to concern according to the total quality management. And basically, the total quality management is the basically comes from the totally develop or the quality during to your the industry, and also this like or the product, and the all things you have to concern according to this the manage the quality, and this will be concerned according to this the few tools will be required like the strategic tools, and few techniques also will be concerned according to this the develop manage the total quality management. And few strategies also will be strategic tools will be given. This is the strategic tools and techniques when the implementing the any improvement process within the manufacturing or the service environments. You need to have the ability to identify the potential improvements opportunities, then systematically improvements implements those opportunities for outgoing improvements also will be required. And the key equipments also will be here. The in the equipments on a effective process, the effective the process also will be in the required. The effective process that like improvements strategy that is that change is based on fact the involves the input, and by informed came stakeholders is cost effective, the timely measurable, and can be maintained. And another things to assist the able, you need a set of tools and techniques also will be required during to this the strategic tools and the techniques also will be concerned according to this the which you can apply to problem solvings or opportunities achievements is concerned according to this the some strategic tools and the techniques also will be maintained according to this the your needs for this some tools, and this will be used. And first things will concern according to the SWOT analysis. And SWOT analysis, and you can see the each and every industries, and for you have to concern according to this SWOT analysis, and summarize the first strength and weakness, and the opportunities and threats, and these three things also will be concerned according to this the SWOT analysis. And basically the you have to given the on figure that's like the strength, weakness, opportunities, and also the threat, and these four things also will be concerned according to this the our SWOT analysis. And SWOT, the SWOT analysis also will be given. That's like this is the basically the summarize of this the strength, weakness, and also the opportunity and threats. And sometimes you have to concern the what is our strength in our industry, the how we have to produce the our product the very easily, and there is the no difficulties is arise and during to this the procedures, and there is the no disturbances come during to the or the product will be launched in our the markets, and this will be concerned according to your the strength of our industry will be able to know the which type of strength will be given during to your the industry part our products, and during to your the systems, and all things you have to record for this our strength. The strength and weakness are typically internal to the firm, and describe the current. This is the reality also will be required. And these things the you have to know the what is our strength, and another thing you have to require the what is our weakness, and this will be required for know the what is our weakness, and during our the weakness, and you have to know the this is our weakness, and this type of difficulties is comes from our the product. Then you have to realize that you are the weakness, then you have to concern the how you have to implement it, how you have to improvements or the improvements, and also how you have to overcome our the weakness. These things also will be required for essential, and for you have to first required to know the what is our weakness, and either you cannot be overcome from our the weakness, weakness, because the you don't know the what is our weakness and what is or the you have to weakness of our industry, and then why our product will be rejected from your the customers. Then is these things will be record for this the known the what is your the weakness. And similarly the during the stance will be the good sign that during or the products. Similarly the weakness will be the this will be given to a chance for the recovery or the weakness and also converted to this the strength. That like the another things, the opportunities and threat typically arise from the factors in the firm competitive environment and may exist already or have the potentials to occur in the future. And basically the few threats will become during to your the industries are not properly maintain your the different type of procedures and strains, and also the proper way you have to produce your not will be produce your products. And this is the different type of threats is come that like. And this is the given some opportunities, and this is the opportunities and threats that like the opposite to each other, but you have to have the potentials to occur in the future, and the strength and opportunities should be leveraged, and the weakness and threats should be might mitigated also will be here. And another thing, the short is useful tool is the summarize the insight gained from using other models. And basically the short analysis will be required for this the summarize the insight and the gain from the using other models from the short analysis. Basically these four things will be concerned according to this the each and every industry for the analysis. And like the this is the short analysis is the one tools. And another thing is the MC Kine Kinsey 7S analysis. That like the Mickey say 7S analysis also will be required. That like the one things will be concerned according to this the structure, strategy, skill, style, and also systems, and also the shared values. And these things also will be concerned according to MC Kine Kise 7S analysis. That like the MC Kinsey 7S analysis is the very much more essential. And this will be the one structural concentration will be here. This will be the 7 points will be concerned, and this 7S is the concerned according to this describe and analysis strength and the weakness in terms of the hardware. The hardware, just like you have to concentrate according to this the strategy. And basically the strategy will be there. The which type of strategy you have to use in your product will be launched in your the markets, and also this will be the sustain for this the long time. That like this is the 7S analysis will be concerned according to this the strategy. These alignments, the implementations, communications, playing versus the optimisms, right or depth transformatives versus incremental concentration also will be concerned according to this the strategy. That like which type of strategy, alignments, implementations, and also the opportunisms, and also the depth transformatives versus the incrementals, the things also will be required during to this our strategy. And another things will be concerned according to this our structure. The which type of structure we have to concern according to your the strategy. That like the structure, basically the committee and the governance and the depth will be required during to the breadth and the collaborations. And this will be concerned according to your the structure. That's basically the different type of structure also will be concerned according to this here. That's like the committee, governance, and another things also will be concerned according to the system. Basically the different systems also will be concerned. The which type of systems will be maintained according to this, the like the IT, operational, finance, the HR, etc. level or is concerned. The right hour will be concerned also according to your the different type of systems also will be here. That like the another things, the software. The software will be concerned just like the style, the style, the which type of the software you have to use during to this the style, that like the culture, leaderships, and also the managerial things you have to need it during to your the styles also will be concerned, that like the versus the transformational will be there. And another things is here, that like the staff. The staff is the basically on another important important part also will be concerned according to your the staff. And basically the selection, rewards, and the autonomy empowerments also will be required for during to your the different segments, and also the different industry, and all that like the different units also will be concerned according to the during to required for this the selection procedures, and also the required to this the reward procedures, and also given to this the full autonomy during to the each and every unit for the recruitments of the staff. And another things will be required for this the skills. The skills will be the another things, that like the software, and this is the ability, the training, and experience, and required for this the ability, and which type of ability will be comes during the different people, and which is the training will be required during the different people, and also the which type of experience also will be essential for this the skill, that like things also will be known. And the another things is the shared value, and the alignment positive or the negative hard minds versus the soft hearts will be concerned according to this the shared value will be concerned according to the consider applying for this the leads to is process in the value sense from will be here. And this will be the McKinsey 7 days principles is this here. And another is the Porter's 5 force analysis will be concerned according to this here. And this is the one is the threat of substitutes, and threat of substitutes will be comes. And another things will be here, this will be the rivalry, and rivalry also will be here concentrate according to the balancing power of suppliers, the balancing bargaining powers of suppliers also will be here, and the bargaining power of buyers. And this is the on things will be concerned according to the bargaining power of suppliers, and also the bargaining power of buyers, and also the threat of new entrants also will be concerned according to the rivalry. And this is concerned to this the Porter's 5 force analysis will be comes during to the systems. And this is the Porter's 5 force analysis models will be given is here. And the first is the analysis of the competitive force in the industries, and the first is the sample issue goes to the concentrate, and the first is the bargaining power of suppliers, and this is the extraction a higher margin forward the indicating also will be here. Basically the suppliers, this will be supply to this the different type of raw materials, and this will be given the bargaining to this, what is the higher value, and this will be required for this the bargaining power. And this is the extracting the higher margins forward for this the interacting will be comes during to this the avoid for this the bargaining powers of this the suppliers. And another thing, the bargaining power of buyers, distributors. And a few times you can see the different distributors will be the bargaining the how you have to given commissions, and during to the how which percentage you have to maintain according to your the commissions for this the bargaining. And this is the different things also will be concerned during to this the bargaining power of this buyer of this the distributor. Just like the price sensitivity also is concerned according to the price sensitivity. And backwards are the backwards are the integrations switching cost also will be concerned according to this bargaining power of this the buyer. And another things, the threats of the new entrants, and few cases you have to say the few threats will become during to the new entrants in our industry, and for this the industry is the profitability barriers to entry, and you have to concern suppose the few the new entry entrants also will be required during sometimes you can say that like the new type of products will be launched in our markets in our company, and a few times you have to send the different type of the new buyers, and also the new new suppliers also will be entered during to this the system, that sometimes you have to concern during to this the some threats will be comes, and during to overcome this type of threats, and for you have to record for the you have to analysis of this type of threats of this the new entrants, and also the threat of the substitutes. And sometimes we have to see in the different type of threats is comes during to this different substitutes during to your the internal or that like the external, and that like the sales manager and the sales persons, and the different the peoples will be comes during to this the employers, and the inside of the external or the internal, the all things you have to comes from this the few threats will be the comes from this the substitute, that like the disruptive change, the perceived level of differentiations will be required during to this here, and during to this the four points, or the four force will be comes during to this the revelatory, and also the rivalry will be coming during to this the concentration and stability, industry growth rates will be concerned, and also the rivalry will be comes during to the come out from this the another four type of force, that like the bargaining power suppliers, and the bargaining power of the buyers, and the threats of the substitute, and also threat of the new entrant, and this the four force will be come up from this the another four, this is called the rivalry, and this is the five force will be analysis. And another thing is the PET analysis, paste analysis also will be there. This is the PEST analysis is comes just like the political. This is the P force is the political, and the E for economics, and the S is the social, and T for technological. That means that this is the on coincides is called the PEST analysis. The is comes, and the political, the basically the identify the environmental trends in the competitive environments, that like the politicals change in the political regulatory, the legal and the special interest the groups sphere also will be here. The basically the you have to concern the all times the which is the change of political regulatory, that like the your the assembly election, that like or the local commissions also will be changed during to your the political change, then you have to all things will be required for this the regulatory, and this is the legal special interest also will be here. And another things is comes during to this the economics, and the macroeconomic trends such as interest rates, the equip the markets, the inflation parts, swing the powers, and the disposable and the income, and microeconomic trends the such as supply, demand, and the elasticity also will be concerned according to your the economic conditions. And another thing, the social aspects also will be concerned according to the PEST analysis is the much more essential. Basically the socio-economic trends such as health will be concerned, the during to your the health will be the good during your the social, then your the economic social economic concentrate according to your the very much more higher. And another things will be that like or the COVID-19 is comes in or the India, then your the socio-economic trends will be the disrupted, and for this the you have to concern according to this the social, that like the socio-economic trends, the such as health, the health, the longevity, and the family, and also the living patterns also will be different according to your the social economic, and also the behaviors, and the fashions also will be come during or the social economic condition. And another things will be come from this the technological aspects, and basically the trends in the products development, procurements, the manufacturing, distributions, and customer engagements will be comes during period the depends on this the technological developments on also the procurement procedures, and sometimes you have to given to your the online orders will be given, but you have to accept your the online orders. This is the on day of the technological improvements will becomes. This model is sometimes extended to the PESTLA to include the legal environmental concentrations will be here. This is the separate share, and this is the another things will be here to this the business model canvas, and the business models canvas is concerned according to this the KP, which is the K key partner does the firm rely on and firm for, and the another things will be here. This is the KA. What is the key activities must the firm performs also will be here during to this the business model canvas, that like the KA, and another things is the KR, that like the what is K resource does the firm needs, the what is the key resource, what will be implemented during to the or the resources, and the what this is the what is the key resource also will be essential, and another things is the BP or value the or propositions does the firm offer the offer to solve its the customers problems or satisfy their needs, and basically the BP is the value of propositions also will be necessary. Basically your customers is the first basic things in your the improvement or the growth of your company, and basically you have to decode for this the customers problems or satisfy their needs, and your customers problems will be concerned, and also the your customers will be the satisfied during to this the system, then the all things will be concerned according to this the BP, and this is the business model canvas under the business models canvas. And another things is here during to this the CR, the what kinds of the customers relationships will be required, just like the CR is means during to this the customers relationships, and the customers relationship is the much more essential during to your the systems. Your the customers will be good relation during to your the customer, then your company will be go to your the long time projects, and also there is the sustain in your environments in your the company, that like or the business environments you for your the depends on this the customer relations, and also this will be depends on this the service units, and also the service units is the much more essential during to this the customer relationship. And another things will be concerned according CA through which the channel does the firm deliver is the products and the services also will be concerned. And another thing is the CS, that like the customer systems does the firm targets also will be the customer systems. And another things the CS, what is the cost structure of the firms, and also the RS, what is the revenue structure of the firms also will be here the is in the concern according to this the business model canvas. And another things is the target operating models, and what is the target operating models will be depends during to the people, technology, the total quality, the target operating model, and also the process. And basically the identify the people, and identify the people will be first the first who is on will be the given to this the achieve the target, and this will be required for this the people is the first will be identify, and required for this the process, the which type of process you have to produce some to your the product, and also you have to concern your the technologies the properly some given to this the service according to your the product will the good quality products, and also the which type of process, and also the technology you have to use during to your the system, that like the you have to concern according to this the target operating model, that like the technology will be concerned. And another things will be the which process you have to concern your the product will be produced during the application of this the different type of technologies, the required to the delivered is the value, and the is value chain will be concerned according to this the target operating models will be comes. And another things is the activity systems, and during to your the activity system, the few things will be concern is here. The during to the no mix also will be here, and also the no seat assigns also will be concerned according to this. And another things also, the this will be concerned according to this, according to this the focus means reliable departments are also will be here. The 15 minutes, the turnarounds, and also the lead the productive grounds crews also will be here. The high concentrations also will be here. The high concentration systems, and also the feasible compromises, and also the this will be given to the 7.37% is only will be comes, and this will be the a subset of the some Southwest Airlines activity systems also will be concerned according to this. The key strategic activities are mutually reinforcing also will be here. This will be comes during to the activity systems. This is the basically the key strategic activities are the mutually reinforcing. The individual activities are easy for the the competitors to copy. The whole systems is harder to this the copy. This is the was the suitable sustainable competitive advantage also will be here. And another thing is the forecast will not appeal to all passengers, not trying to be the best as the everything the specifics regarding what is done, and what is not done, and the differentiatives and not other airlines pursues the same strategies also will be comes during to the activity systems also will be come. Another things will be here during to this the customer segmentations. And during to your the customer segmentations will be the segment and the value propositions, and also objectives, and the products, and the measures targets also will be given during to this the customer segmentations also will be here. During to this the value of propositions will be here. The some manager object to choosing targets the customers customer segment the they have never seen the customers they did not like, and want to be able to stay satisfy all customers the performance, but this is the approach to the risk, and doing nothing well for the anybody. The essence of strategy is not just choosing the what to do, that it also requires choosing what to or not to do. And this will be concerned according to the Kaplan and Norton's the 1996. This will be given for this these statements, and basically this will be depends on this the segment of the customers segmentations. And another thing is the strategic canvas also will be given during to this system during the strategic canvas. And basically the a simply strategic canvas for the Southwest Airlines also will be given during to this the strategic canvas. And the strategic canvas is the visual representations of how a firm different tips its value proportions, that is the is from the those of its the competitors. And basically is the identify the factors the which your the customers consider importance also will be here. And that is the chart how well your the competitors substitutes perform against each categories also will be here. A strategic canvas can be used to understand and the existing value the proportions, or to identify a new opportunities. Individual canvas can be produced for the different targets, and also the customer segments also will be here during to this the strategy canvas also will be concerned. And another thing is the R is concerned according to this the BCG matrix. That is the BCG matrix also will be concerned for the multi-line portfolio maps markets growth of the against the market shares. The entire persons also will be here the invest in stars that they are the source of the future profitability, improve the efficiencies in the cash cows. They are funding the investments in your starts. Decides whether you can turn the question marks into the stars or not exist. The does unless the there are cross lines cross line the synthesis, and just like the loss leaders, the remembers that all costs are variable in the long term, and also the cash cows and also the stars dogs, and also question marks also will be comes during to this the low and the high growth, also the market share also this will be and also the market growth will be concerned according to this the variations, the bubble size or the profit contributions also will be concerned, also the market scope and the definitions, this will be required from during to this the portfolio analysis, and can be concerned during to these systems. And another the a balance score scorecards also will be concerned during to this the defined measurable outcomes, also the smart objectives is come during to this the shareholder measures, and also shareholders which will be required the for mutual replace shareholders with the customers and the regulators for the business units treat at the peers the parents of this the shareholders also will be concerned according to this the define the measures and the targets. And another things, the aim for the between 16 and 24th measurable outcomes on the total, just like the to secure the finally how should we appear or the our shareholders, and also the this will be concerned according to the to satisfy all the customers and shareholders without business process must now we excel at, and also the we to achieve our the visions how will now was sustain our the ability to learn and improve also will be concerned, and to achieve our the wish visions, and how should we appear to our the customers also will be concerned according to the balance score cards also will be concerned according to this, and needs for the tool and techniques for the total quality the management also will be here according to the quality American I see the number of total quality management tools is close to 100, and the come in various forms, and such as brainstorming, focus groups, the checklist, the charts and graphs, diagrams, and other analysis tools also will be required during to this needs for the total quality needs for tools and the techniques for this total quality management in a different ways. The manuals and the standards are total quality management tools, as well as they give the direction and the best practice guidelines to you and your staffs. And thank you. The next class is or discuss the commonly used tools for the total quality management. Okay, thank you dear students.